Hello, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance STL Muscle Line Dance. The song is Muscles and it's a special remix by DJ 8 Miles. The artist is Diana Ross and the choreography is KRIS White and Jeremy Sims. If you or someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end. Also, check out the choreographer, KRIS White. She did an instructional on it also. STL Muscles. And here we go. sure you check out the instructional. Also go to the choreographer. In fact, when you put STL muscles in YouTube, you'll see the choreographer KRIS right through an instructional also. So make sure you check that out also. Want to give a shout out to everyone supporting the NOLA Southern Experience. Looking forward to seeing y'all guys July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website for the itinerary and also the playlist. www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.